to stop making fake account? Because if you make fake account of Rodelio Daguman, even Mrs. Anigil, you're going to be in huge trouble, Danmar. Danmar Dayaw, if I were you, delete that stupid Facebook page of Rodelio Daguman, and that's yours eh. It's not really Rodelio, it's not really from me, it was you, Danmar. You're the one who created the Dragon Inclusion Philippines to create chaos, to frame David Gill, to slander his name. Danmar, just quit on your making fake accounts on Facebook. I've been interviewed that with J. Rick Silva last night. That I criticized Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I already apologized to Teacher Vincent Ramos and Teacher Gio Malana. Well, they forgive me, and I say to Danmar Dayaw, deactivate that your fake account on Facebook like Rodelio Daguman. Roylan is going to get angry at you. Magagalit po yan si Roylan. Danmar, tumigil ka na sa paggawa ng Facebook like fake account. Danmar, when you post on anything, you make negatives at Rodelio, you say about, malakas daw si Ernest Marsigan kaysa sa Cedric. You're always to be jealousy at Cedric, Danmar. You're the one who make a fake account on Facebook. Some of those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, even the BBM bloggers, they create a fake account to troll the Duterte supporters. That's not good. For me, I never want to make fake account, or dummy account, Danmar. I am saying to both of you, Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, and the BBM bloggers who were spy of Danmar Dayaw, please, all of you, stop creating fake account. Even you, Ate Dina Guillermo, the spy of Danmar Dayaw, would you just stop making fake account? I'm making me angry, Danmar. You need to stop creating bunch of fake accounts on Facebook. I am getting angry, I am getting angry to all of you. Why you even could create a fake account on Facebook? Danmar Dayaw, Do you want to frame Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Do you want to frame everyone? I will never forget for what you did to Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David. Danmar, with all due respect, quit on your creating fake accounts in Facebook. That is a cybercrime. And those idiot Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos who created a fake account on Facebook like Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Barsaga, and Ate Dina Guillermo, especially Danmar Dayaw. Diyos ko, Danmar, hindi ka pa rin tumitigil, Danmar. Danmar Dayaw, if I warning you, you need to stop creating bunch of dummy accounts. First of all, I've been asked by Roylan Marlang. He said to me, over the years that he said it to me and Clarence Barredo, hindi po yan si Rodelio, hindi po yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman, ang fake account ng Facebook na kasama si Sara Duterte. It's not good. it's not really him. Oh, it's not really him because I know it was created by Danmar. Oh, you're the one who created the fake account, Danmar. You need to apologize. If I were you, Danmar Dayaw, you need to apologize to Rodelio Daguman or Kuya Rodelio if before he filed the complaint affidavit against Danmar Dayaw. If Kuya Rodelio Daguman and his brother will go to your place in Pasay City in Baclaran, if he goes there in barangay, the barangay captain will summon at you, Danmar. If I were you, Danmar Dayaw, with all due respect, you need to stop creating bunch of fake accounts on Facebook. Like I said before, when you create fake account, do you troll everyone? I'm not gonna say with those explanation. Me, I say to Danmar Dayaw, I never want to create fake account. O me, I apologize Teacher Jessa Fernandez. O I apologize JD Biniegas, Luis Cabales. O when I create a fake account, even Ronan Cayabyab, I apologize Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Gio Malana. Sincerely, during the time of the incident of 2021 and 2024, over the 7 years, if I just gonna say to Danmar Dayaw, if I were you, delete that stupid fake account of Rodelio Daguman or Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You will get you in trouble. Look at Stefan Pimentel. He never create fake account. All he has to do, he stop creating fake account. Stefan asked me, who created the fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David? My former friend asked me, it's Danmar Dayaw. Danmar, have a shame to yourself. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're messing around. You and Sangkay Janjan, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, both of you are manipulatives. Creating a fake account like Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan to ruin Kuya Rodelio Daguman, to ruin Mrs. Annie Gill, to manipulate Cedric, to ruin Cedric Mariano's art, para sirain si Cedric. It's not good. It's very defiant. It's very resilient. If I were to tell to everyone, I'm calling out from the ASP. I am calling out the ASP and the Autism Society of the Philippines. And I'm calling out to all of who hate Sangkay Janjan. Please, all of you, reprimand Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan and the other BBM bloggers who creating trolls, who creating a fake account on Facebook to manipulate the Duterte supporters, to manipulate the mother of David Gill. She is no related in politics. She hasn't related to anything, or even Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He has nothing to do anything to them. He has no related to politics. He has nothing to do. Like I say to all of you, enough about making fake accounts on Facebook.